Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Desi Makhan at home. First, gather your main ingredient, fresh, full-fat cream, also known as malai. You should collect this cream over several days for the best results. Make sure the cream is at room temperature before you begin. You will also need a blender, a large bowl, and some ice-cold water to help with the churning process. Now, let's get to the churning. Carefully pour all of your room temperature cream into the blender. Next, add approximately 1 cup of very cold water. This cold water helps the butter separate more easily. Blend the mixture on a medium speed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You will notice the butter solids beginning to form and separate from the liquid, which is the buttermilk. Once the butter has separated, it's time to extract it. Gently gather the solid butter with your clean hands. Carefully squeeze out any excess buttermilk from the butter mass. This step is crucial for a purer taste. Then, wash the makhan 2 to 3 times with ice-cold water. This washing process removes any remaining buttermilk, ensuring your makhan stays fresh longer and tastes wonderful. Congratulations, you've made fresh Desi Makhan. To store it, place your homemade butter in an airtight container. Keep it refrigerated to maintain its freshness for up to 1 week. This delicious makhan is perfect for spreading on warm parathas or rotis. You can also use it as a base to make flavorful homemade ghee, adding a rich, authentic taste to your cooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.